In this section, you should be able to learn first what is meant by tort, second, elements of tort, third, tort and crime, and fourth, tort and contract. Let's start with first, what is the meaning and definition of the term tort? The tort has been defined as a civil wrong independent of contract. Tort is a Latin word, and its counterpart in easier English is the word wrong. If I do something wrong to you, this means I have committed a tort against you in simple terms. Now the question is, what can be that something wrong? We will understand this wrong by examples to make things simpler and easier for you. Example number 1. A national newspaper publishes a false and abusive story against A respectable businessman. A policeman detains A without any lawful reason. 3. That a university student is walking on a pedestrian pavement and injured by a car being driven negligently by the driver. Example number 4. A large piece of wood block falls off the lorry on a motorway and injures passengers of another vehicle on the motorway. Example number 5. A doctor prescribes wrong medicine resulting in seriously harmful effects to a patient. Number 6. A car driver is seriously injured as a result of a technical fault in his car. Now you will see that in these examples one person or party has suffered some harm or loss because of the other. This harm or loss can be physical, for example, injury to arm or leg, or psychological, mental trauma, nervous shock, for example, or reputational, where because of the damage to someone's reputation, their customers have left. These are called wrongs or torts done by one person or party to the other. If you would like, please go through these examples again and try to see what are the harms suffered by one party because of the other. This should make clear to you what, in general terms, what is meant by tort and on what basis we are going to learn this subject. What are the examples that should be in front of us, so that this is the basis on which we can build the understanding of the law of tort. Now let's move on to next point, that's elements of tort.